Audiences these days are scattered across platforms, and the competition for their attention is high. If you want to make sure your story reaches people, you have to think about it. I'm Norma Hilton. I'm an independent investigative journalist, and my work has been published at the Toronto Star in Canada, the Mississippi Center for Investigative Reporting in the United States, and the Special Broadcasting Service in Australia. I'll share some tips journalists use to make sure people hear what we're saying. Journalists nowadays are often seen as no different than content creators, even though they sometimes are the last line of defense between democracy and authoritarianism. They're often competing with cat videos for the attention of people on the internet. They also have to know how to produce content across platforms, from text to photographs to videos. The more versatile a journalist, the better they will be to adapting to a changing media landscape. To make your story stand out, you have to think about how to present them from the very early stages. Is there incredibly interesting data that you can present in the form of an infographic? Is there opportunities to capture some footage that you can use for an Instagram reel or a TikTok video? And it's important to remember that even though you are online, you still need to think like a journalist. Regardless of the platform you publish on, you have to make sure that your information is truthful, accurate, and concise. These are just some of the things you need to remember when producing a story. Don't forget to be creative, and good luck.
This is Mobile Stories.